با عرض سلام خدمت دانش آموزان عزیز پایه نهم. امروز درس اول از کتاب مدرسه صفحه های 16 تا 20 رو با هم کار میکنیم. Okay, so there is a conversation on page 16 of your book. It's between Ehsan and Parham. Ehsan says, "Who is your best friend at school?" Reza, "What's he like?" "Oh, he's really great. He's clever and kind." "Is he hardworking too?" "Yes, and he's always very helpful." "How?" "He always helps me with my lessons." Okay. Who is your best friend at school means بهترین دوست تو در مدرسه کیه؟ And what's he like؟ بچه سوال what's he like برای سوال کردن راجع به personality یا شخصیت افراده. وقتی میخواین راجع به اخلاق یا رفتار کسی بپرسین که طرف چجوریه اخلاقش میگین what's he like؟ he or she. Okay? What's he like؟ He is really great. He's clever and kind. Is he hardworking too? Yes. So hardworking means سخت کوش. Clever باهوش. Kind مهربان. Yes, and he's very helpful. Helpful به معنی کمک کننده، یاری دهنده. How? He always helps me with my lessons. همیشه تو درس ها به من کمک میکنه. Lessons means درس ها. Okay? So این کلمه ها هم clever, kind, helpful و hardworking رو جلسه قبل با هم کار کردیم و هم معنیاشو بهتون گفتم. Okay, page 17. Talking about personality. The yes-no question about personality begins with are or is. Is, are. For he and she, we use is. Is he, is she. Zahra is she. Are they, or are you? Okay, so are you hardworking? Yes, I am. Is he clever? Yes, he is. Is she talkative? No, she isn't. Are they neat? Yes, they are. Are they upset? No, they're not. Okay, so that's it. Then we have a WH question. That is what's he like. همون سوالی که گفتیم برای personality پرسیده میشه. سوال هست what's he or she. He or she. What's he or she like. یعنی personality یا اخلاق و رفتارش چطوره. ویژگی های شخصیتی کسی رو بخواید بپرسین از این سوال استفاده میکنید. So here instead of your friend, instead of he, we have your friend. What's he like? خیلی بد شدیم پاکش کنم. So we can say what's your friend like means what's he like. Okay? He's very funny. خیلی بامزه است. Funny. What's your mother like? She's very kind and patient. What is opposite of patient? Very good. You say impatient. یه ایم اولش اضافه میکنید و impatient. What's he like? He's quiet. What is opposite of quiet? Excellent. Talkative. What's she like? She's clever. What is opposite of clever? Stupid. Okay, thank you. What are you like? I'm a bit serious. I'm a bit serious. Serious به معنی جدی. What is opposite of serious? What is opposite of serious? Funny. Very good. What are they like? They're very kind. They're very kind. Okay. So for the next part we have the words. The words and the pictures that you can see. Angry به معنی عصبانی. Angry عصبانی. Brave شجاع. Careless بی‌دقت. What is opposite of careless? Careful. Very good. Careful. careful. What is opposite of brave؟ داشتیم با C شروع میشد. جلسه قبل رو ببینید پیدا کنید. همشو نمیگم. با C شروع میشد. Cowardly. What is opposite of angry؟ مخالف angry، عصبانی. اینم باز با C شروع میشد. بگردیم و پیدا کنید از ویدیوی جلسه قبل اگر یادتون رفته. CA دوتا حرف دیگه هم میخواست. Next one is cruel. Cruel means ظالم. Okay. What is opposite of cruel? It begins with K. K و یک کلمه 4 حرفیه. Rude. Rude به معنی بی‌ادب. What is opposite of rude? مخالف رود با P شروع میشه. Okay. And then nervous. Nervous به معنی مضطرب. What is opposite of nervous? مخالف مضطرب. Again با C شروع میشه. Quiet. Opposite of quiet, you know, is talkative. Opposite of quiet مخالفش میشه talkative. And then funny. Funny به معنی خنده‌دار، بامزه. شوخ طبع. Funny به معنی شوخ طبع که مخالفش میشه گفتیم الان serious با S شروع میشه. Then selfish. Selfish به معنی خودخواه. And neat به معنی مرتب، منظم. And what is opposite of neat? Opposite of neat با U شروع میشه. یا دوتا گفتیم، یکیش هم هست با D شروع میشه. اینا رو به خاطر باید بسپارید. جلسه قبل جزوه‌ای که نوشتین یادداشت کردین، از اون پیدا کنید. اوکی. نیت به معنی مرتب و منظم، سلفیش به معنی خودخواه. اوکی. Next page 20 I guess. So, listen to the conversation and pay attention to the intonation of affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are positive sentences. Affirmative means positive. جمله های مثبت. It's a conversation between teacher and Samira. Farzaneh is a clever student. Everybody likes her. Yes, I know. She is also very helpful. Well, you can ask her for help. Okay, I'll ask her to help me with my English. بچه‌ها دقت کنید، جملات مثبت intonation یا تون صداشون به سمت پایینه. یعنی هر جمله‌ای که مثبت باشه تون صدا به سمت پایین میاد در انتها. Listen to me. He is very kind. She is very patient. You are very clever. Everybody likes her. I do my homework. She works for a company. از بالا به پایین هستش. جملات مثبت affirmative are positive sentences. Okay. خب برای امروز این درس ها رو مطالعه کنید. کلماتی که گفتیم این قسمت، اینا رو حتما توی کتابتون یادداشت کنید از جزو جلسه قبل و برای کویز آماده باشید. در هفته آینده از درسی که تو این هفته داشتیم، مخصوصا کلمه ها مخالفاشون personality words، کلمه های شخصیت ها، سوال جواب خواهیم داشت. یه کویز کوچیک. موفق و مؤید